When we first log into the product, you'll notice that we see our list of products. If we want to create a new one, we can simply duplicate one we've set up already, or we can click the Create Product button here on the top right. And all we have to do to get started is give it a name. As soon as we click Create, we'll see the product dashboard. Why don't we just start with the Domain and Access section? This is where we'll set up where we want the product to be and how our customers will access it online. I could set up a custom domain, but I need to figure some things out on my site. So for now, I'll just use a subdomain right here on ProductDyno. I'll keep this as a paid product, but I could easily set it up as a public or free product, and you'll learn about those options later. Notice the access URLs here. Now, when I save the product, the access URLs will change accordingly, and now I know what these pages are for reference later if I need them. Now, moving on, we'll go back to the Product Manage page, and now we can look at the content. Notice that we already have some sections and subsections set up with dummy content. You can easily drag and drop these around, edit the title and description, or even delete them all and start from scratch. It's up to you. We can use the Manage Content icon to go into each one and change everything. Remember, these will be content pages, so this is where you can add audio, video, images, or even text. You can also set up each section or subsection to have drip content and upload supporting files so your customers will be able to download them. Now, I go back to my ProductDyno dashboard to this Customize section for the product. This is where I can change the theme if I want, add a logo, and customize everything to my heart's content. And you'll notice the email tab. This is where we can customize the emails sent to your customers immediately after they make a purchase, when they lose their password and they request one, or even after their access is revoked for whatever reason. And we go back to manage our product. The next thing we might set up is the payment gateways. Just click Add a Payment Gateway, give it a title, choose from a wide list of payment gateways and affiliate platforms, and just fill in the information you need from your gateway. For instance, if we choose JVZoo, we'll need our product ID. So we just go over to JVZoo, find our product ID. In this case, it's in the URL 264041. Let's just copy that and pop it in the gateway product ID. Now, after I save it, I'll see an IPN URL. I just need to copy this and go over into JVZoo and pop this into the external program integration. I'll save it, and I'm all done. Now let's talk about integrations with other types of platforms. If we go into the Integrations tab, you'll see that we can set our product up with marketing email services, transactional email SMTP services. We can add our own S3 and FTP accounts to serve our files securely, and we can go so far as to set up webhooks that actually fire anytime something happens inside of your account. So the possibilities are endless, really. And before we can add these to our product, though, we have to set them up inside the Global Integrations section. Let's see how easy that is to do. Let's see, I'll add my ActiveCampaign account here under Marketing Emails. So I'll just click Add Marketing Email Integration. I'll choose ActiveCampaign from the growing list of email service providers. Oh, and if we don't have yours, we'll add it as soon as you let us know about it. Now, I'll just give it a nickname and get my URL and key from ActiveCampaign account. I'll save it. I'll go back to our test product and add it under integrations. Now, whenever anyone purchases my product, they'll go straight to my autoresponder. On top of that, I can add as many as I want to each product. So that's it for this demo. Remember that the opportunities are endless, and I've only shown you a small portion of what you can do with ProductDyno, just the tip of the iceberg. We haven't even touched on our collections feature, which is going to allow you to build out full brands with multiple products, bundles, bonuses, and much, much more. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you inside of ProductDyno.